All right, everybody, CryptoVin here, CryptoVin YouTube channel. Going to be doing a quick tutorial today on how to add liquidity in liquidity pool for BabyPengolinCoin. This is going to be on PancakeSwap, PancakeSwap.finance. I'll leave all links to the description of the video. You're going to connect your MetaMask or compatible wallet. Make sure you have BNB in it. And if you don't, you can buy some right in the wallet. It'll get right to your address, sent right to your address. Make sure you're on the Binance Smart Chain. So you're going to come over here and go down to liquidity. The screen will pop up. You're going to go add liquidity. All right, you want version 2 liquidity. So you're going to go over here where it says more. That'll drop down. You're going to put add version 2 liquidity. All right, so your balance here, your BNB balance will be up here. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to select 25%. Obviously, you don't want cake. So you go up to here, you go to BabyPengolinCoin. If you haven't already done so, add it to the here by putting the contract address here. I'll leave it in the description, but you can get it on BabyPengolinCoin's website. Here, you scroll down, you can see the contract address. All right, so we want version 2, and you can see here. I'm going to be using $1.44 of my BNB, and you also have to have BabyPengolinCoin, so you have to purchase it. I did a video on that, and I purchased a tutorial on PancakeSwap. I'll leave a box at the end of this video so you can click on and you can check that out. I have some BabyPengolinCoin, as you can see, 17,261,200 will be used for liquidity. All right. You want to make sure when you do BNB, you actually want to make sure that you use pretty round numbers. So 0.0044, because BabyPengolinCoin has 18 decimals. So you want to just make sure it doesn't function properly if you don't pare this down to round or more round number. So it's 17,220,300. Okay, click add, and then you confirm. You can see here. All right, and your wallet's going to pop up, and you're going to hit confirm. And there you have it. That's how you add liquidity. And you get rewarded for liquidity. And here you can see it on the Binance Smart Chain scan if you want to, the transactions there. And so you can go back here and you can see I added more liquidity, and here it is. And you can claim your rewards here. There's a lot of videos on how to claim your rewards from the liquidity pools. I'll see if I can do one a little bit later for you guys, but they're out there already. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Full transparency, I am an advisor and part owner of BabyPengolinCoin. And, obviously do your own due diligence. I'm going to do a review video on it. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Like, subscribe, share. Appreciate you watching, and I'll see you on the next video, guys.